Hi everyone, well today we're checking the simple future. It's an affirmative form. Here we go. To start the exercises, we will check the structure. And the structure is like this. The first thing we write is a subject. Then the auxiliary will. Verb in simple form, complement, and finally the time expression. Okay, example number one. I will record a new video tonight. I will record a new video tonight. Example number two. You will watch my video tomorrow. You will watch my video tomorrow. Example number three. We will visit our family on Christmas. We will visit our family on Christmas. Example number four. They will travel abroad this afternoon. They will travel abroad this afternoon. Example number five and last. My friend will cook chicken today. My friend will cook chicken today. Well, my dear friends, these are all the examples I show you today about simple future affirmative form. And for watching the next video, click where the arrow points. See you next time.